Now we continue with question 5. WAEC 2019. If 7 plus y is 4 in mode 8, find the least value of y. But there is a condition here that y is between 10 and 30. Solution. Now we want to operate in mode 8. The fastest way of solving this question is to use the option given to you. That's the fastest way. You pick the first value, 11, so we have 7 plus y equals to 4. Don't forget, in our previous video, we explained when you are dealing with modular arithmetic, if you are working in mode 8, the remainder is always your answer. Now, if you look at this first option here, it means the remainder is 4, that is the meaning. The remainder is always your answer. If you look at this now, if you put 11 here, 7 plus 11, 18. Now, if you look at it, 18 divided by 8. 18 divided by 8 is 2, remainder 2. The remainder is not 4, but we're only for the remainder of 4. So 11 is wrong. You pick 13. 7 plus 13 is 20. 20 over 8. 8 in 20 will give us 2. That will be 2. Remainder 4. That will be 2 remainder 4. Because 8 in 20 will give us 2, then remainder 4. Now the remainder is 4. That means 13 is likely to be your answer. So we dot this to be the answer. Let's continue. Let's check for 19. 19 plus 7 is 26. 26 divided by 8. 8 in 26 is 3. That is 24. Remainder 2. This is also wrong. So pick 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. So 28 divided by 8. 8 in 24 is 3. Remainder 4. Which is also the answer. Now, it means in this question that we have two answers. 13 and 21. But the question indicates that find the least. So we are looking for the least. That is the minimum value. So the minimum value here is what? 13. So the answer becomes 13. So 13 is the answer. That means y is 13. Because 13 is the least number that can give us the remainder of 4 in mode 8. Now question 6. Now we are given that if t is a prime number, t is a prime number, and m is an odd number, m is an odd number, and we are given the universal set to be 0 to 10. Let's be careful here. 0 is not inclusive, meanwhile 10 is inclusive. And x is an integer. Integer means a whole number. Now we are asked to find t prime intersection m prime. So what is t, what is m? Then we can then find the prime, then m prime. Before we can now find the intersection of the two numbers. So let's look at it. What is t? T is prime numbers, but don't forget, it must be between 0 and 10. So what are the prime numbers between 0 and 10? Prime numbers. That will be 2, 3. 1 is not a prime number. Let's take note. 5 and 7. These are the prime numbers between 0 and 10. Now, m is an odd number. Odd numbers between 0 and 10. That will be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, what would now be t prime? The meaning of t prime means the number that can be found in the universal set, but not in t. Don't forget that universal set is between 1 and 10. 0 is not inclusive. Between 0 and 10, that will be 1 to 10. It means like this t does not have 1. T has 2, gone, 3, gone, then 4. 5, gone, 6. 7, gone, then 8, 9, and then 10. So this is t prime. That is the number that can be found in the universal set, but not in t. The same thing m prime. The number can be found in m, can be found in the universal set, but not in m. So let's check. This is m. M prime. So m has 1. 1 is gone, so we have 2. 3 gone, so we have 4. 5 gone, so we have 6. 7 gone, we have 8. 9 gone, we are left with 10. Now, between these two now, let's look at the intersection. Intersection means what is common between the two. So what is common between t prime and n prime? What is common between them? Let's look at it. 4 is common. 6 is common. 8 is common. And 10 is common. So our answer is 4, 6, 8, 10. That's our answer. 4, 6, that's option A. 4, 6, 8, 10. That is question number 6. So let's go to question number 7. Now, Question 7 now. We are asked to evaluate log 9 base 3 minus log 8 base 2 divided by log 9 base 3. We've explained the rules guiding logarithms in our previous videos, so you can check that to understand this log. So let's pick the number one after the other. Let's pick this log. What will be log 9 base 3? Log 9 base 3 is same thing as saying log 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2 is 9. That is 3 times 3. Then we have this base to be 3. This becomes 2 log 3, 3. Log 3, 3 is 1. This is 1. We are left with 2. It means the whole of this has become 2. So let's pick the second one. Log 8 base 2. 8 is same thing as saying 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2 to give us 8. Then in base 2. This will give us 3 log 2, 2. Log 2, 2 is 1. So you're left with 3. The whole of this has given us 3. So move on to the next one, which is log, the denominator now, log 9. Log 9 base 3 is same thing as what we've done here. This is same thing as 2. Same thing as 2. These and these are the same. So they are both 2, 2. Now let us now substitute them back into the question. This is 2 minus this is 3 divided by 2. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by 2, minus 1 over 2. So option D is the right answer to this question. Now question 8. If 23 base y is equals to 111 in base 2, find value of y. The easiest way of solving this question is to convert this one to base 10 and also this one to base 10. Then you find the value of your y. That's the best way to solve the question. Now, when you look at this question, let's convert 23 base y to base 10 now. 0, 1. This will become 2 times y raised to power 1 plus 3 times y raised to power 0. Y raised to power 1 is y, so this becomes 2y plus y raised to power 0 is 1. This will give us 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. Now, 23 base y has become 2y plus 3. Let's keep that. Let's do the other one. 1, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's convert this one to base 10. So you have to be 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 3 is 8 plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 2 raised to power 1 is 2, then plus 1. This will give us 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So the whole of this have become 15 in base 10. Now we can combine the two. It means that 2y plus 3, which is this, in base 10, is now equals to this one in base 10, which is 15, also in base 10. So from here we can get our y. Collect like terms. We can transfer plus 3 to the other side of the equation to become 2y equals to 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 will give us 12. Now we divide both sides by 2. Finally, y becomes 2 cancel 2. 2 in 12, 6. So y equals to 6. So option C is the right answer to this question. So this is question number 8. So we'll continue with question number 9 in our next video. Thank you.